Hello, good morning, everyone. We are here because we are preparing for teacher attitude and aptitude, and today's topic is communication. लेकिन इससे पहले I wanted to tell you कि our videos are coming in Hindi and English both languages, और आप दोनों वीडियोस को देखिए क्योंकि कंटेंट जो है हिंदी का और इंग्लिश का दोनों में डिफरेंस है. And if for your best preparations, you need to prepare from both sides. Okay, so let's start the video of this topic, communication. And if you are visiting our channel for the first time, so you must subscribe the channel if you are preparing for the same what we are teaching you. So start. It is the universal fact that teaching process is a bipolar process. This process is completed within the poles as educator and educand. Generally, the term teaching refers to explain, to develop skills and attitudes and communicate similar ideas to the students. Thus, the process of communication is very important channel of imparting all the favorable knowledge and ideas to the students. It is the inevitable linkage. In its absence, no teaching can be held in the classroom condition. This section includes the narrow and broader concepts of the term communication in order to prepare you for your professional demand. So we'll start from the objective type of questions. Question 1. Of the various social institutions of India, which of the following does not have profound effect on education? The family, the government, the religion, or the business class organization? So answer would be D, business class organization. Question 2. Why does structure and function of Indian education has changed after independence? New needs like secularism, socialism, industrialization, etc. B. New psychological needs of people. C. Due to powerful leader. And D. Widespread poverty. Answer would be A, because we need to find out the closest answer possible. So question number 3. What is not an educational implication of democracy? A. Education is essential to a citizen for securing a prestigious job in life. Education is essential for a citizen to comprehend the laws of land, or the education is essential to a citizen voter to know the programs of various points, or the education is essential to a citizen for functioning as an intelligent voter. So here the closest answer would be the prestigious job in life. So fourth, the proximity in communication is determined by social law, social stereotype, cultural climate, and economic status. So the proximity in communication is determined by option A, social law, how our society moves. 5. If you are punctual in your activities, then your lifestyle represents the non-verbal gesture of punctuality, temporal alertness, have time foundation, time saving. So the answer would be temporal alertness. The word temporal in itself includes the time, and alertness makes your activity on time as including. So the answer would be B. 6. The Indian classical music represents the quality of non-verbal communication, silent communication, sound symbolic communication, or chronemics. So the answer would be chronemics. Why? Because it is the non-verbal communication, but in a time-bound manner, which involves punctuality and willingness to wait and pause, etc. etc. So it is chronemics. 7th, chronemics communication is determined by work involvement, time consciousness, duration, or quarterly. So the chronemics, the word chronemics, where the chrono word in itself means the time. So the answer would be time consciousness. 8th, classical Indian dances are seeking support of kinesics, or kinesics, silent dramatization, non-verbal communication, or communication? So answer would be kinesics. Kinesics is the closest word of body language. So you can understand the classical Indian dances involve kinesics in it. Ninth, the important organs of kinesics are sex differences, culture, caste, proximities. The answer would be sex differences because it is different. Kinesics, the body language or the movement of body to express something is different for male and female. 10th, the spectacles are generally used not for ornamental purposes but to curb vision defects and for safety of the eyes. In spite of in the public opinion is that spectacled person has the following qualities as communicated through his personality. A man of wisdom, reliable person, industrious person, or showing shyness. Answer would be a man of wisdom. 11th, non-verbal communication has special effect of haptics. It can be explained by the examples that a mother rendered affection on her infant by giving him gentle touching, slapping, and kissing, etc. The teacher applauds his students. The nurse consoles her patient. Under all these circumstances, the communicating element is a feeling of pleasure and happiness, affectionate intimacy, proximity, or consolation. We would say consolation if only one circumstance, the nurse, was involved, but we have to take into account all the three circumstances, the teacher, the mother, and the nurse. So the answer would be a feeling of pleasure and happiness. So our next topic will be awareness, which will be coming in next video. और आपको पसंद आया हो तो लाइक कीजिए क्योंकि इससे हमारा भी मोटिवेशन बना रहता है, और शेयर कीजिए, अपने दोस्तों को भी मदद कीजिए, और अगर आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया और आपको और ज़रूरत है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब भी कीजिए। और आप इसके लिए धन्यवाद। और अपना प्रेरणा का स्तर पढ़ाई करते रहिए और मदद करते रहिए एक दूसरे की, ताकि लॉकडाउन के ड्यूरेशन में आपकी स्टडीज़ अफेक्टेड ना हो। सो आपको प्रेरणा का स्तर, अपना मोटिवेशन बनाए रखना है हर हालत में, ताकि आप ये एग्ज़ाम क्लियर कर पाएँ। सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। नमस्कार।